Hi, and thank you for being here with us today, and welcome to our Zinplex training videos. My name is Christina, and I'll be guiding you through the products. Today, we would like to discuss the Zinplex facial range, starting with our Zinplex face wash for the treatment of pimples and acne in teenagers, young adults, and anybody who suffers with hormonal acne. That's why one cannot just clean and wash the skin. We also need to take care of our immune system and hormonal health with the right mineral supplements. The skin is our biggest organ in the body, and its health depends on our diet and what we give to it from the inside. So, your first step should be picking the right mineral supplement for your skin, which would generally require zinc and selenium in it. For a healthy skin, we recommend the Zinplex 120s, the blue cap, the Zinplex Triple, the orange cap, or the Zinplex Forte, the bright yellow cap, because a healthy skin starts from the inside. Please remember that sometimes when you supplement with such strong antioxidants like zinc and selenium, the skin might get a little worse before it gets better. This is completely normal and a sign that the treatment is working and your body is detoxifying. So, hang in there. This is actually a good sign. To choose the right supplement for you, you can read up on our products via our website or write to us at info@zinplex.co.za. So, let's talk about the Zinplex Face Wash. The Zinplex Face Wash comes in two forms, the 100ml and the 150ml pump bottle. The ingredients are exactly the same and simply depend on what is more comfortable for you. I like to use the 100ml when I travel and the pump bottle at home. The Zinplex Face Wash is lightly foaming and has a silky texture. It does have a soft, gentle oceanic fragrance, which reminds us of the sea and how zinc is present in all things related to the ocean. Zinc, as you know, is Zinplex feature and main ingredient, which is excellent for pimples and acne. To read about zinc and the skin, please check our online blogs. You don't need much of the face wash, about 3 milliliters or the amount of a small 10-cent coin on your hand. I like to wet my face a little first with lukewarm water, then squeeze or pump a little of the face wash on my hand, make a lather, and gently massage the face wash onto my skin. I use lukewarm water to rinse off and gently pat dry my face with a clean towel or leave it to dry naturally. When you're using the Zinplex brand for pimples and acne, you can use it twice a day, morning and evening. If you use makeup, it is important to remove your makeup first, as this is not a makeup remover. If you have a breakout, please do try to avoid using makeup. If this is too difficult because you are self-conscious, which is very understandable, please make sure you use a gentle cleanser to remove your makeup first. I wash my face once in the evening and I use the Zinplex face wash to prevent spots and blackheads. I do have an oily skin, especially on the T-zone. If you have dry skin, you might want to use this product during the times that you have breakout, or if you notice your skin getting oily during the month. This product has been formulated for normal, oily, and problematic skin types. So, getting to know your skin is very important. Once the skin is cleansed and has dried from the wash, we can go to step number 2. Thanks.